Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Serengga Madhya Pranata, and this research is conducted together with Shahabuddin and Eri Rosmawati. Today, I will present our study titled Uncertainty Policy, Emotional Market, How to Policy Uncertainty, Shape of the Market, Investor Sentiment on Price. Our focus in Indonesian stock market and how investor emotion and policy uncertainty interact to drive market price. First, let me explain investor sentiment. Investor sentiment represents the collective emotion and psychology of investor. It shows whether investors are feeling optimistic or fearful. In modern financial market, especially in emerging market like Indonesia, the sentiment plays a very important role if can move price even when fundamentals do not change much. By understanding investor sentiment, we can better explain price movement and volatility in Indonesian stock market. Next, I will talk about economic policy uncertainty or EPU. EPU measure how uncertainty investors are about government policy, such as fiscal policy, monetary policy, and regulation. In emerging economies like Indonesia, change in policy can create strong reaction in the market. High policy uncertainty can make investors more nervous, and this can affect their decision and the stability of the market. So, in this research, we look to how policy uncertainty and investor sentiment work together to influence price. The main objective of our research is study the relationship between investor sentiment and market price in Indonesia. More specifically, we went to how economic policy uncertainty moderates this relationship. In simple words, we ask, does sentiment always affect price in the same way? Or does in effect become strong or weaker when policy uncertainty is high? By answering this question, we can better understand how policy change and investor psychology interact in emerging market. In terms of methodology, we use quantitative research approach. We work with monthly time series data from January to September 25. Investor sentiment is measured using the Fear and Greed Index, which combine several technique and psychological indicators. Market price are represented by Jakarta Composite Index or IHSG. Economic policy uncertainty is measured using the IPU index. We convert all data to monthly frequency and we adjust the when needed to make the data more stable for analyze. To analyze the relationship, we use process macro model 1, which is a moderation model. Investor sentiment is independent variable, market price are dependent variable, and IPO is the moderator. The framework allow us to see the direct effect of sentiment on price and how this effect change different level of policy uncertainty. In the world, we can test whether the impact of sentiment on price become strong when IPO is high. Here we can see descriptive statistic of our main variable. For sentiment, the minimum value is about 37 and the maximum is 76 with average 62. This suggests that on average, investors were quite optimistic during the sample period. For market price measured by IHSG, the index range from about 1 million to 85 and 8061 with a mean around 5 5, 2, 8, and 7. This wide range shows large fluctuation in the stock market over time. The high standard deviation indicated the policy uncertainty is very volatile, with some period of extremely high uncertainty. This slide showed regression results from our moderation model. First, the model explained about 23% of the variation of market price and indicated an R square 0.2314. Second, sentiment has positive and significant effect NDP value 0.01. That means the higher investor sentiment associated with higher market price. Third, IPO has negative but not significant coefficient. This suggests that in our model, IPO does not directly affect price. Finally, the interaction term between sentiment and IPO is positive and marginally significant. That indicates the when pulse uncertainty increases, the effect of sentiment on price trend to become stronger. To understand the interaction more clearly, we look in the conditional effect of sentiment at different level IPO. When IPO is low, sentiment has largely a strong and significant effect on price. At medium IPO, this effect becomes even stronger, and high IPO, the effect sentiment is the strong with the less coefficient and very high the value. All these effects are significant at less than 0.001. So we can say that policy uncertainty amplifies the influence of investor sentiment on market price. In the world, the higher uncertainty, the more market risks to change in sentiment. In conclusion, to conclude our finding a show investor sentiment is a key driver of stock markets in Indonesian market. Economic policy uncertainty does not directly change price, but it strengthens the impact of sentiment. When policy uncertainty is high, the market becomes more sensitive to investor emotion and perception. That means the relationship between sentiment and price instead dependent. It becomes stronger in period of unstable policy condition. For policymaker, this suggests that clear and stable policy can help reduce excessive market reaction driven by emotion. For investor sentiment and market participant, it shows the importance of monitoring both sentiment indicator and policy uncertainty to better anticipate market movement. Thank you for your attention. I'm happy to answer any question.